Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at trig identities, and before we get really started on these trig identities it's useful to remind ourselves what sine A and sine B or sine X and cosine X mean. So sine X is the relationship between the opposite and the hypotenuse side of a right angled triangle, and cos X is the relationship between the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So looking at this triangle down here, if we start with the angle X, then we can first of all consider it in terms of sine X. So sine X would be opposite, which is B, over C, which is our hypotenuse. And cosine X would be equal to A over C. So A over C. Alright, now let's look at it in terms of this angle here. So once again, sine of 90 minus X, that's going to be equal to, once again it's sine, so it's going to be opposite over hypotenuse, so A over C. And we can already see here, hopefully, that we have A over C here and A over C here, which means that this here is equivalent to cos of X, and that's what develops our first relationship here of sine cos X being equivalent to sine of 90 minus X. So that's our first relationship there. So let's look at cos of 90 minus X, and that would be the adjacent side, which is that there, and C. So that would be B over C, and once again we can see that that is the same relationship as sine of X, which means that cos 90 is equivalent to cos of 90 minus X is equivalent to sine X. So we can also write sine X is equal to cos of 90 minus X, and those form our two rules for that first identity.